Hi guys, I'm Nikhil, and today this product which is Kishio, and what is this for? If you are affiliate marketer and if you are doing affiliate marketing from Warrior Plus for Warrior Plus product, Zevizu product, then generally what people do, they generally create a landing pages, and for that they generally buy hostings annually, monthly. They have to pay for that, and inside that they have to install some plugins. Okay, also they have to pay for plugins, and later they generally will be able to create landing pages for different offers, affiliate links, website links for any product. But in this product you will get all the solution of this, because it will reduce your work, because you don't need to go again and again on Warrior Plus and Zevizu, okay, for grabbing deals. Actually, for request approval and all, you can do directly from this. Second, you don't need to pay for landing pages just like others for hosting manually, monthly, annually, like that. You don't need to pay. You will be able directly, you from here you will be able to create landing pages directly from inside. You don't need to pay anything. You can create attractive attention grabbing landing page so that you can increase CTR and sales and revenue. Main other things are, you can do some email marketings, chatbot marketings, messenger marketing, all on the automation. Okay, so how to do that? This is member access area. Okay, how you will do all these things you will know here when we discuss this, all these features. Okay, so I'm going to discuss all this feature. Okay, so this is the product which is Kishio. I hope you got what is this for actually. So let's come and we will discuss each and every this features. Now this is dashboard, so this is a very simple appearance. Okay, not too much pretty difficult to understand, nothing here from for now, because I didn't do anything. Now this is training. I'm clicking on this so that you can see how this training is like. So let it load and give it time. Okay, so you can see this is all tutorials. Kishio Soshi overview, connect to Facebook, find offers, page builders. Okay, as I told you, downloaded pages, Facebook posting, see messenger bot marketing, Facebook autopilot, Instagram autopilot. Again, you can do email marketing, because in messenger you can capture some emails, and then you can do email marketing also, messenger marketing also. But the main thing is what, in email marketing, open rate is too much low, but in messenger marketing, open rate is far better. So chances of CTR, getting sales, getting leads, are too much higher in messenger marketing. But just because of this tool, which is Kishio Soshi, just because of this tool, you will be able to do both things: email marketing also, messenger marketing also, both on automation. Okay, you don't have to work manually step by step per day basis. No, you have to just set up all these things on automation. Later you will be able to do this. Okay, so this is training and all. So for example, I am clicking on this, so you will be able to watch a video. Okay, 2 minute video and all. Okay, if you want to see, I can show you all videos, but it's not too much important things. Okay, this is overview, 5 minute video, and this is connect to Facebook. This is for importing your account. Okay, 1 minute video. It's too much pretty simple things. Find offers, how to find offers and all. You will see. I will show you. Okay, this is 3 to 4 minute video around. Okay, and that's how all these videos are available. These are some bonuses for you. You can see here: auto content, auto blogging, keyword research, done for you templates. Okay, this all things will be your marketing material to increase your results more. Okay, so this is done from my side. This is training part. Now I'm coming on this import account. So let's see how to do that. And I will try to do that in front of you directly. Login with Facebook. This is Neeraj. I don't know. So just you have to click here. Okay, log in with your Facebook. It's too much simple, not a difficult thing, mindless thing. It is actually, just click on this and you will be able to see this type of your Facebook page or your Facebook profile when you pick up this one. Okay, now find offers for Zevizu and Warrior Plus. So I'm going to find offers for Warrior Plus in front of you. For example, I am searching for fashion. Let's see what is coming. Okay, so Warrior Plus is not about fashion and all. This is completely affiliate program. So let me see, for example, mail marketing. Marketing. For marketing is okay. Influencer marketing is cool. Okay, so this is already latest. You can see 22nd September. Today is 1st October. So this is not too much old and not too much new. So I'm just going to, for this, for example, I want to take request approval for this because I want to promote this. So I'm just going to click on this grab deal. So I already logged in my Warrior Plus. So let's see. See, this is influencer marketing school and all. This is vendor, and you can select out of this anyone. For example, I'm going to select this one. So I will click on that. Directly from this dashboard, you can go inside JVZoo and Warrior Plus. You don't have to put some extra work for getting some links and or for finding offers and products and like that. Directly, you will be able from this dashboard. Now it is taking too much time. I don't know why. So, okay, it's scam.
Hey guys,
And
it's
from
Raj Sidhu,
here,
founder of
actually this
Pinnacle
is
PLR.
sales page.
That's
Oh
me
shit. Actually, I did
top
it
right hand
wrong.
corner. So
Wait, let me come here. I should, yeah, I should copy this one. Okay, copy. I will go to here. See affiliate offers. I will click on that because I have to request the link approval for me to promote ahead. Okay, I'm not here for purchasing this, so I will just paste it here. Okay, you can see in front of you. You will go for search. Okay, and here you can see. Okay, not here. Okay, these are top products. Okay, which are working pretty good, or these are upcoming products and all like that. This will be your product. Okay, so I already applied for this. Okay, you have to just click on that and you can go for approval. Not for approval, you can apply for request. Okay, that's how you will click here and you will apply for request. For example, I'm canceling it in front of you. Okay, so that I can show you it again. Okay, let it refresh. Okay, no. So you will click here. Okay, you will click here and you can put your request any type. Okay, I'm interested in influencing marketing. Influence marketing, please approve my request. Okay, that's how you will try and you will click on this and done. Okay, let it load and you will see here some changes. Take it time, see. Okay, you have to just wait for your link approval and all and it's done. Okay, that's how you will do from this dashboard. From this dashboard. Okay, so I already shown you how to do that. Okay, so I'm just closing this and that's how you will, for example, after some time you will able to see your affiliate link and approval and all, and later you will go here which is page builder. Okay, and then here from here you will create landing page. Okay, attractive landing page according to your product and niche. Just select any template out of this. So for example, this one is good. Okay, so I'm going with this because I selected influencer marketing. So we'll try to play around with these pages because I know we will get some options and features to play around with this. Okay, you can set it according to your product. Okay, and then you can go ahead with this. So for example, For example, button. Okay, button. Where I have to put button, I'm just putting my button here. Okay, so what I will do, I will connect link here. Okay, so what is this actually? Layout and all. Let me see. Actually, you have to just play around with this. You have to just put your link here and later show more. See link. Okay, so you will put your link here and later where is link? I think this is or not. Okay, so you can play around with this because it will take too much time. Okay, so I am doing confirm it. For example, from here, table code and all. Actually, when you select your link option so that you can put your Warrior Plus link, which you will get after approval, okay, from JVZoo and Warrior Plus, and later you will be able to do all these things where this link. Okay, this is your link. And let me see where we will go. Okay, it will take too much time, so I'm removing this. Okay. When you complete that all these things, so you will get your page link. Okay, you can download because there you can see download pages option. So that will actually you will learn all these things in training. So don't worry about that. Okay, so for example, this is your downloaded page. I didn't download it before. Okay, so for example, if I download, so where you will show your page, you will copy link from here. Okay, and then you will be able to show your pages in your every post, in your advertisement. Actually, don't go for advertisement. Just for example, I'm telling you. Okay, and when you paste your link, when you forward your link, and that is how your page will look like. Okay, don't think why it is looking different because I didn't download that one which I selected as a design. Okay, I selected already downloaded one and copied link and then I pasted it and then you are able to see this. Okay, this will be your affiliate link button and that's how you will be able to do that. Okay, simple. Now it's done. Download pages and all. Now this is every posting and all multimedia post, CTA post. For example, if you click on this, if you are doing any post, okay, do post and in your first comment, put your affiliate link page. Okay, which page? In here, downloaded page. I already shown you right now. Okay, so you can create one new post. Okay, because if you put your link directly in post, okay, Facebook will not increase your reach. So what you have to do, you have to put it simple as well. Okay, type anything in your message. Okay, post your page, which page you have. For example, this is example. Okay, I have many pages in your social media, in your in your Facebook profile. You also, I hope you also have some pages. You have to put that here. Select a template. What template? Auto reply. Okay, all this you actually from here automation is started. Okay, now you can create and you can directly post now. Okay, too much simple. And in auto reply template you have to put your link here. Okay, I think I have that. Yeah, okay, like that, like this you have to put your page landing page link in which you already fit your affiliate link, Warrior Plus affiliate link button, so that from that button you will get some CTR, some sales, some leads and all. Okay, directly you can put some squeeze pages also, some opt-in pages also, so that you can grab some emails also. So you can perform email marketing campaign again. and you can do some messenger marketing again. Two type of marketing you can do directly from inside here, and you can start making some profit, some revenue. Okay, some leads you will get. Okay, so that's how you will create campaign and directly it will post now. For example, if you cancel it, you can schedule this. Okay, if you don't want to post it right now, okay, just take 1 day time and you can schedule 7 to 8 posts for 7 to 8 days. Okay, so all things will work on automation. All work will be do each and every by each and everything by this. Okay, and you have to just set and forget. No, all these things you can do, call to action and all, so that you can apply some buttons. I'm coming here directly because too much less time we have. See, bot setting, all these things you can see you will get in the training this thing. Okay, because I already logged in directly in front of you. I didn't do any type of practice and I'm coming here after that. No, that I am not like that. I'm doing directly in front of you. Email autoresponder. Okay, it will auto reply, save templates, bot setting, post back manager. Actually you can put your link when you reply someone. Don't put your link in post. Okay, because Facebook will not give you a good reach. Okay, and your target is to getting some reach and impression so that you will increase your CTR. So you can do that. Okay, just go into the training and take all information about this all things, and this messenger bot will start working for you. Now this is again autopilot. Okay, you can choose template. Okay, you can reply template and automation also you can apply from here. This is for Instagram also. Instagram is bigger market for marketing and all. Okay, you can create template. This is some already made. So how to create, let's see. Template name you can give related to our niche, and you can put anything. Okay, for example, if you are applying bots, so your name, actually your username will come here automatically. For example, XYZ. Okay, and I'm giving message him or her, check out my this masterpiece. Okay, okay, this selection will be your, and you can just save it. Successfully saved. Okay, let it load from here and you will be able to see here. This is fashion. Okay, all this created template you will put here and you will auto complete. When you will go into the manager and when you go into the messenger board, you can choose this one, this your comment actually reply template, and it will be automatically start replying to your user. Okay, that is how your complete business model will work. Now all these things you can do. Now this is IG, Instagram autopilot. This is a big market for marketing and online marketing, because here you will get more engagement, more reach, more interest, more impressions and all. And just because of this thing, you will start getting some good results. Okay, so I'm not going with this because this will be same like that. So this is Interest Explorer, so that we can see. These are actually some bonuses. Interest Explorer, for example, football. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this so that see what will come. Keyword downloaded. Okay, see, this is the main thing now. You can see here audience size. Okay, too much big data. See, too much big data. You can go ahead with your any niche. Okay, for any niche you can do keyword research here. Actually you can see volume. What volume? Search volume. See, this is called search volume. Audience size, search volume, everything is simple. Okay, for example, this much n number of people are searching for this keyword. You can directly put your blogs, okay, on YouTube videos, Instagram post, Facebook post on this particular keyword, so that you will start some traffic on your post, video, blog, whatever. This is auto content. You can see here this is RSS sign. Okay, so just click on this and let's see what will be here. I'm just closing this right now. Okay, fast. I'm just checking this all these things because we have to discuss each and every features. Okay, later you can do all these things. This is for interest. Here you can do some keyword research also auto blogging and all. Feed name, for example, okay, wedding, RSS feed URL, go to the Google alert and all. Okay, like for example, I did all these things from my side. That is why I'm doing this ad feed, because people are string could not be passed. Okay, no worry. Actually, this link don't have feed inside. Okay, for this auto posting feed and auto blogging and all like that, people are taking $50. Okay, just for creating tools like that, and you all these things are getting inside this with this dashboard itself. Okay, so you can go for Google alert. Okay, and you will start getting some feeds. Okay, so if you want to see, I can show you, but it will take too much time. So this is auto blogging. You have to put your WordPress post link and all like that, so that you will see. You will put your, okay, e-com business. I'm getting some options. Actually, I did this already because I have all this post on my blog. For example, I'm trying this blog content, put whatever. Always put text, guys. Okay, for getting traffic, always you have to put some text. CTA button buttons and all. Yes, obviously you should put that CTA button text. Put like get it now. Simple. Okay, link. That is the main point. Now here will come your affiliate link, and directly you will start getting some results from blogging too. Okay, now this is third method, and all these things you have to play around with this, and you have to just create blog. Okay, if you think how I will write the blog and all like that and this, okay, just apply your own mind. Okay, just take some book like this, take some book. Okay, and just try to write with the help of some books. Okay, because if you copy someone's blog, okay, you will get copyright issue again, and your blog will not get good traffic. Okay, so just apply some mind and do like that, it will be done. Okay, or everything will be auto blogging, because you can, I think, schedule here. Let me see, you can create blog. For example, I'm going to create, okay, button link. Okay, I'm putting this one. So let's see, it will well, okay. Blog URL. Okay, if you have your WordPress sites, you have to put all these things here. See, so that it will be integrated with this. So I'm not going to do that. You can directly when click on this. Okay, these are some buttons, preview and all. So when you click on this, okay, you will be able to do that. So I'm not doing that. So this is keyword research. Let's see what will come inside this. Okay, for example, cricket. Okay, cricket. Nothing is coming. Why? Okay, click on new analysis. I think this is searching from in that list. Okay, so I'm going to search new one, cricket analysis. Simple. Some keywords you find. Okay, this is from Yahoo. Okay, it means people are searching for this keywords on Yahoo. Okay, where it is, this is wiki, means people are searching like for this keywords on wiki. Okay, on Amazon for these keywords. Okay, and that is how you will actually smartly, you have to put, you have to keep, and you have to select your keywords. Okay, for example, people are searching on this, it means these keywords are buyer keywords. Okay, because on Amazon, people, why people come on Amazon? Okay, because they are looking for, they are looking for purchase and all something. Okay, that is why. So this type of keyword you should use. Okay, so that you will get some sales also. And always check competition. For example, I'm showing you, this is cricket bet, how to check competition, I'm showing you. Okay, it will take 1 minute only. Okay, paste that particular keyword here on directly Google and see, this is your competition, means this number is trying to come on first page and trying to give some information on their websites by using this keyword. Okay, so this will be your competition. So what you have to do, you have to go with low competitive keyword. Check for all. For example, I'm going to check this one. Okay, so this is approx 100 million, I think. Okay, maybe I'm wrong, but let me see. Okay, this is too much less competition. You should go with this. Crickets for reptiles. Okay, if you are able to write something on this, if you are able to make some videos on this, you will get traffic and you will get CTR also. That's how you have to understand complete process. Okay, now back on this again, and let me see. Okay, I'm done from my side. Website comparison, just go to the training and learn for all these things. Okay, for example, I'm putting, okay, you can compare two websites. Okay, all these things it will provide you. I don't have right now any website to compare it fast. Okay, so okay, I'm going to leave this. Okay, as per my knowledge, I'm done each and every features. Okay, not in deep because it will take too much time. From next time, I will take each and every features in deep. I will click each and every button and I will show you what it button is going to do. Okay, so I'm done from my side. Okay, if you go with this, okay, this is my page. Okay, you can go through the link below and you will get all these features and all what this product is going to do in detail. I put here. Okay, some more things I didn't put, but many out of them which will be useful for you. Okay, I just kept it here. You can read it, you can understand this is going to fit for you or not, and later you can decide you have to go with this or not. Okay, later we will meet for the next product. Till then, bye.